Hey, I wanted to talk about what I've been marinating on for the last couple of days. It's inner wealth. So, a couple of days ago in meditation, those two words popped up in my gut, in my heart, in my mind. And I really stopped and reflected about what is inner wealth to me. Now, what I want to first say is that I encourage you to explore what these two words mean to you. What does it feel like when you hear it? Because everybody has their own definition. Everybody has their own definition. So, this is what's been coming up for me. When I think of inner wealth, when I feel it in my body, when I sit with it in meditation, it is first and foremost the love and the connection that I have with the Creator, with my ancestors, and with myself. So it starts first with the love and the connection, the relationship that I have with the Creator, the ancestors, and myself. The second part of inner wealth for me is this birthright that we all get. It is mindfulness, this ability to be aware of what's happening inside and outside of ourselves. Because it is with this birthright of mindfulness that I'm able to be aware of the love and connection that I have with spirit, with the ancestors, and myself. So the third part of inner wealth for me is intuition. Intuition is the wisdom, the guidance that I get from the Creator, from the ancestors. And they help me navigate through this crazy, cool, complex world that we live in. So we've got so far with my definition of inner wealth, the elements that create inner wealth for me are that love and that connection that I have with the Creator, with the ancestors, and myself. Then it is this mindfulness, this birthright that we all get, this ability to be aware of what's happening, that is a part of inner wealth for me. And then intuition, which is the wisdom and the guidance that I get from the Creator and the ancestors. And what allows me to tap into the intuition is this mindfulness, this awareness. I'm able to be aware of it because when I'm aware of it, guess what? I'm able to navigate this world that we live in with greater ease. I'm able to tap into the gift of grace. Yes. So this fourth part of inner wealth is energy. Energy. And when I'm thinking of energy for myself, it is what's inside. And so I spell it a little differently. I spell it INNER hyphen GY, energy, to remind me that it is inside. We are all energetic beings. Everything in this universe is energy. And part of me feeling wealthy from the inside out is recognizing that I am energy and that I have a vibration. My vibration is how I show up, how you experience me. That's my vibration. And my energy is also my power from the inside out. And then the last piece of inner wealth for right now, because I want to always leave room for growth and evolution because we are always changing, always learning, always growing. But for right now, the fifth element of my inner wealth understanding is creativity. And creativity is how I express myself, showing up in the world as I do, utilizing the awareness, that mindfulness, tapping into that love and a connection with spirit and the ancestors and myself, following the intuition from the creator and the ancestors, that wisdom, and then tapping into and utilizing the energy, my vibration, expressing it as my vibration, expressing it as my power, using my energy. Creativity is how I express myself, how I show up in the world, and how I share my gifts. So that's my inner wealth understanding for right now. What's yours? Wherever you find this video, leave a comment about what inner wealth means for you. What does it mean to you? What do you value as your inner wealth? Now, the way that I strengthen my inner wealth is by using the Thriving Mindfully Academy's 5 self-love languages. And those self-love languages include affirm yourself, honor your body, reclaim your time, serve yourself, and celebrate yourself. If you'd like to learn how to use the 5 self-love languages to take better care of yourself, to manage your stress, to express yourself fully and tap into your inner wealth and strengthen those inner wealth muscles, because I think all of them are inner wealth muscles when I think of my inner wealth. And they need to be exercised. And the 5 self-love languages can help you do that. If you're looking for a way to learn how to use them, a way to take better care of yourself, a way to manage stress, I want to invite you to join me in the Thriving Mindfully Academy. The Thriving Mindfully Academy is an online education platform and a membership site that I launched at the height of the pandemic. And you can learn more about it and how you can become a member by going to anandaleak.com/academy. anandaleak.com/academy. As you can hear, my neighbors, the fire station, as well as the police department, are kind of busy. It's all good. Let's take a breath in and then out. And be present to ourselves in this moment. In the Thriving Mindfully Academy, I inspire and empower you to be present, well, and the real you. And one of the ways that you can be the real you is by tapping into your inner wealth. So if you want to explore how to do that, join. If you have questions about the Thriving Mindfully Academy, send me an email, ananda@anandaleak.com, or send me a DM on social media. Thank you so much for tuning in. And as I always like to say, may we continue to embrace thriving mindfully in everything that we think, feel, say, and do. Have a beautiful rest of your day.